A very good morning, my dear children. I am Jayanti, your science teacher. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your homes. Now we are learning about the block, our teeth. What did we learn in previous class? Yes, in previous class we learned about parts of a tooth. In the block, our teeth. Let's recap the previous class. What are the parts of tooth? Parts of tooth are crown and root. These are main parts of tooth. In crown there are three parts that are enamel, dentine and pulp. Next, root. Crown is a visible part of a tooth and the root is not visible and cannot be touched till it is plucked out. See the diagram. These all are the parts of tooth. The upper part of tooth called crown, it is visible part, and root it is not visible. Enamel is a coating which protects the tooth from decay, and dentine is a bone, it is below the enamel. Pulp is very soft, full of nerves and blood vessels. It lies below the dentine. Is everybody ready to start our today's class? Now tell me, when do we get our teeth? Can you tell me when you get your teeth? Some of you say that we got our teeth when we are babies. Yes. Mostly we are getting our teeth between 6 to 12 months old. How many teeth do you have? Did you ever think that some of you have 18 teeth, some of you have 20 teeth? These all are milk teeth. After the age of 12, you have permanent teeth. We learn about milk teeth and permanent teeth in next class. Totally we have 32 teeth in the permanent set. What do you use them for? We learned the use of teeth in previous class. Do you remember? Yes, teeth help us in eating. It is also helps in speaking and give shape to our face. What did we eat when we had no teeth? Yes, we only eat the liquidy food when we had no teeth. Because without teeth we cannot chew the food. We can eat only the liquid food like milk, juice when we had no teeth. In previous class I told that be ready with mirror for today's class. Do you have a mirror? I hope you will be ready with the mirror. Let's take the mirror. Look at your teeth in the mirror. What do you notice about your teeth? Are all the teeth same? No, all the teeth are not same. Each teeth in different shapes. We have different types of teeth. Today our aim is to identify different types of teeth. Let's begin. Look at your teeth again in the mirror and draw the different types of teeth in your notebook. Put the video in pause. In your notebook, draw the different types of teeth you can see. I hope you have done. Now tell me, what are the different types of teeth in our mouth? Some of you say that sharp teeth and some of you say that broad teeth. Yes, we have different types of teeth. Let's see the types of teeth. There are 4 types of teeth in our mouth. First one is incisors, canines, premolars and molars. What are the 4 types of teeth? Incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Which of our teeth are incisors, canines, premolars and molars? Can you identify? Let me say, the incisors are sharp. The teeth which is sharp is called incisors. The second one, sharp and pointed, is called canines. Canines are sharp and pointed. Next, premolars. Premolars are broad and flat. Broader and flatter teeth is called molars. The molars are broader and flatter. Do you know how many teeth in each type? How many incisors, canines, premolars and molars do we have? We have 8 incisors. 4 in upper jaw and 4 in lower jaw. Totally 8 incisors. There are 4 canines, 8 premolars and 12 molars. Totally we have 32 teeth in permanent set. 8 incisors, 4 canines, 8 premolars and 12 molars. In the picture there are 4 incisors. In lower jaw there are 4 incisors and 4 incisors in upper jaw. Totally 8 incisors. Next, canine. There are 2 canine in the lower jaw. Similarly, in upper jaw there are 2 canine. Totally 4 canines in our mouth. Next, premolar. There are 4 premolar in the picture. Left side 2 and right side 2. Similarly, in upper jaw 4 premolars. Totally 8 premolars. Next, molar. There are 6 molars in the picture. Totally 12 molars in our mouth. Next, what is a wisdom tooth? Have you ever heard about wisdom tooth? Okay, let me say. The third molar is commonly called wisdom tooth because they appear so late than the other teeth. So what is a wisdom tooth? The third molar is known as wisdom tooth. Did you ever lose a tooth? Yes, everyone lose teeth between the age of 7 to 12. Everyone lose teeth between the ages 7 to 12. These are our milk teeth. Have you ever heard your parents or grandparents losing teeth? Yes, by accidentally, they may also lose their teeth. The teeth that grow after the age of 12 is called permanent teeth. If we lose the permanent teeth, after that new teeth won't grow. Is this clear to you? What do we learn in today's class? The types of teeth. What are the types? Incisors, canines, molars and premolars. Incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Next, Heart's question. Why do we have different kinds of teeth? Do you ever think? What happen if we had only one type of teeth? Do you eat same type of food every time? No. You eat different kinds of food. Some of the food we have to bite and some of the food we have to chew. So, we eat different kinds of food in different ways so that we have different kinds of teeth in our mouth. We eat different kinds of food in different ways so that we have different kinds of teeth. Next worksheet questions. How are our teeth different from each other? Yes, we have teeth in different shapes and also in different size. As we discussed already, we have milk teeth and permanent teeth. So, two sets of teeth in our life, that is milk teeth and permanent teeth. We will learn about the milk teeth and permanent teeth in next class. Next question. Label the different types of teeth. In your workbook, there is a picture. You have to label the different types of teeth in that picture. Next question. Sharda is 30 years old and lost her tooth. Will a new tooth grow? We already discussed. I hope you remember. We lose teeth between the ages of 7 to 12, that are our milk teeth. After age of 12, we have permanent teeth. If we lost the permanent teeth, new teeth won't grow. So, a new tooth will not grow back as Sharda has lost her permanent tooth. Next question. We have 4 different types of teeth. What if we had only one type of teeth? As we discussed already, we have 4 different types of teeth, that are incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Each teeth helps in different functions. Sometimes we bite some foods and sometimes we need to chew some food. So, if we had only one type of teeth, we would not able to eat different kinds of food properly. So that we have different types of teeth. Next bonus question of the day. Your today's bonus question is, how many teeth are there in the permanent set? How many teeth are there in the permanent set? Next, practice questions. In your content book, the third and fourth questions are your today's homework. The question is, what are the different types of teeth in our mouth? What are the different types of teeth in our mouth? Next question, how many teeth of each type do we have? And draw the entire set of teeth and label the different teeth. How many teeth of each type do we have? Draw the entire set of teeth and label the different teeth. Read the content book and answer these questions in your notebook. Now today's class has completed. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in comment section. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day.